Walking through the city with a gimbal in my hand, sharing every secret across this wide and beautiful land. The coffee shop is busy, but the aesthetic is right. I am editing the Fuji deep into the quiet night. Welcome to the vlog, where the colors always shine bright. We are living out the dream in the middle of life. Hit the like and subscribe for the journey ahead now. We are making every single moment count somehow today.